May puso. Nakalagay partners in crime. Regalo niya sa akin. Pero teenager pa kami lang. Masasabi ko dyan sa dalawa, sobrang saya ko para sa inyo. As in, kanina nga pasok nyo, goosebumps talaga. As nanginginig ko, sininiyak ako. Sobrang saya ko talaga. Ito yung pinagpapagay ko din sa inyo. And natutunan ko dahil talagang nakita namin yung pagmamahal ko kay Galing. And yung respeto ko kayo dito, sobrang pinakita mo yun. At sa amin, ayun, talagang makadyung palagi, maasahan ko, lagi ko itong sinasabi, dahil overflowing yung love kay Galing. Yung nag-overflow na lang, napupunta sa pamilinas na mapaligid sa kanya. So, alam ka namin alam mo yan. Galing talagang, pang may mga anak na nangyay at tatay ko, kapatid ka rin namin talaga. Pinantorin namin sa'yo. So, masaya ko ngayon, as in, hindi ko mapaliwanag. Yan, love ko yung dalawa. Best wishes. Love you.
Palakpakan naman natin si Julia Ron. Para pinakabahan ay susunod na magsasalita. Rashad, go ahead.
Do you rather... As we said on this result of a new chapter in your life, I want to take this moment to express my deepest joy, heartfelt congratulations. Today marks the beginning of a beautiful journey filled with love, companionship, and endless possibilities. Seeing you as a groom fills my heart with pride and happiness. You have always been a source of inspirations to me. And now, as we embark on this incredible adventure of marriage, I have no doubt that you will continue to inspire those around you with your love, kindness, and unwavering commitment. May your union be blessed with boundless happiness, understanding, and unwavering support for each other. Cherish every moment, embrace every challenge, and celebrate every pride together. As we exchange vows and promises today, remember that love is the strongest bond that ties two hearts together, and believe you can conquer anything. As your little brother, I stand beside you with love and support, ready to witness the magic of this day and countless beautiful moments that lie ahead. Here's to a lifetime of love, laughter, and endless adventure. Congratulations, my dear brother. May your wedding day be everything you dream of and more. With all my love, your little brother.
Palakpakan naman natin si Christian. Hindi handa si Christian. Meron pa ba Christian? Alright, go ahead.
Today marks a beautiful milestone in your life as you become not just my brother's wife, but an integral part of our family. As you stand beside him, radiant and full of love, I want to take this moment to welcome you with open arms and a heart filled with joy. Your kindness, warmth, and genuine spirit have already enriched our life in so many ways. Today, as you officially become a part of our family, I'm happy to have you by our side. As we embark on this journey of marriage, know that you are not just being a husband, but a partner, a confidant, and a best friend for life. Together, may you both experience the immense joy of companionship, the strength of unwavering support, and the beauty of love that grows stronger with each passing day. May your marriage be filled with laughter, shared dreams, and endless love. Cherish every moment together and embrace each other with friends, and always remember that love that brought you together. I am truly blessed to call you my sister-in-law. I look forward to the countless memories we will create together as a family. Congratulations on your wedding day, and may your journey be as beautiful as established here with all my love.
Palakpakan natin once again si Christian. Oo, hindi siya